We don't want to make you laugh. We want to make you smile, but not laugh.
Okay, because I'm Jewish.
Okay.
Jesus was Jewish.
But do you know what a Muslim is?
I know.
What's a Muslim?
What's a Muslim?
Yeah.
Believes in Muhammad.
No?
No?
What about people before the Prophet Muhammad? How were they Muslim?
I don't know if they were Muslim.
So let me tell you what a Muslim is.
Yeah.
In Arabic, the word Muslim comes from aslama, the one who submits his will to God. Right?
That's good.
So Jesus
Believes in
submitted his will to God?
No.
He didn't?
No.
He didn't worship
have a
God?
choice. He was Jewish all the way through until he died.
Do you believe Jesus was born miraculously?
No.
You believe that Mary had...
Mary had a little lamb. I don't believe he was
What's a
born
little
from
lamb?
God. I believe he was Jewish.
So
He
how
wanted to
how
make-
did Mary get pregnant?
Was I there?
No, but what do you believe? You're ashamed to say your belief.
Ish ish b'emunto yichyeh.
What does that
Everyone, every person should live in his own belief.
Okay, but
Yeah,
but
have a nice
I
day.
believe in that.
okay, but do you understand why we say he's
Ma'as salam,
Muslim?
ya sahabi.
Yeah, sabbi, yeah.